YouTube is the most popular form of entertainment in this day and age. But did you know there are built-in tools for making the experience much better? Here are 5 quick tips for watching YouTube on mobile and desktop. Double tapping on the screen can either rewind or fast forward the video. Double tap on the right to fast forward by 10 seconds. Double tap on the left to rewind by 10 seconds. You can now change the speed of videos just like on desktop. Tap the 3 dots located at the top right of your video and select playback speed. You can slow down the video to see if you missed something, or double the speed to skip the boring parts. A dark theme can now be enabled on the desktop side as well. Click on your profile picture on the top right and select Dark Theme to toggle it. This theme helps with cutting down glare and allows the colors on videos to pop out more. If you see an interesting part of a video that you want to share, pause the video and right-click on it. Then, select Copy Video URL at the current time. Share the link with your friends and it will take them to the exact part of the video you want to show them. There are a number of YouTube keyboard shortcuts. J rewinds 10 seconds, K is pause, L fast forwards 10 seconds, and M is the mute button. The number keys seek video progress. Pressing 2 will take you to 20% of the video, 3 to 30%, and so on. Hitting 0 takes you to the beginning of the video. Those were our 5 quick tips on watching YouTube. You can try them out on this video if you haven't already. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.